Hi Aries, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Alright, so without further ado, Aries, let's get into your reading. If this message does resonate with you, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a general energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. Alright, so the first card that I've got for you here, Aries, is the Death card, the Nine of Wands, and the King of Wands coming up for you here. So the first message that I've got here from your person here, Aries, is that they want to have a new beginning with you. With this Death card, I do feel like they're finally coming up to this realization that whatever that had happened between the two of you here is actually making them feeling like they are like, I do feel like lots of hurt and lots of pain coming out from your person here, Aries, which is making them feeling like they have this emotional high wall up. And I do feel like the first message that I've got for you here is that they are sorry for pushing you in a way that they were basically pushing you here due to this emotional wall up that they've been putting up here, Aries. But with this Death card, I'm definitely sensing that they want to have a new beginning with you here, and the King of Wands coming up here, Aries. So I do feel like they're also coming from this point here is that they're finally coming up to the realization that whatever happened between the two of you, it could actually be due to their own ego here, Aries. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Justice card. You could be dealing with a Libra or someone with a strong Libra in their chart. I do feel like with this Justice card, for some of you, your person could be dealing with legal system or legal issues here. I do feel like for those of you who are actually dealing with a legal system or legal issue here, I do feel like the result will be going in your person favor, and I do feel like this person will be coming towards you here after they're finally done with any legal system or legal issue in their way here, Aries. Let's see what else comes up for you. Well, I've got the Sun card coming out for you. So yeah, I'm definitely sensing that there is something that is actually stopping your person to come towards you here at this point of time. Either this could actually be a family issue, or even like, I do feel like with these two cards coming here, I'm definitely sensing a strong ego that is actually stopping your person to actually be more open towards you here, Aries. I do feel like, especially with this Mercury retrograde energy coming up here, I do feel like your person is basically going through a lots of emotional turmoil. I do feel like they're definitely dreaming about you. For those of you who have this empathic ability as well as going through twin flame journey, I'm definitely sensing a mirroring energy, a strong mirroring energy coming up from your person here. I do feel like you also can understand, or basically you have this inner feeling or gut feeling that you're actually sensing that your person is basically going through a lots of emotional turmoil at this point of time here, Aries. But with this Sun card coming out for you, I'm definitely sensing that your person wants to have a new beginning with you here. With this Sun card, I'm definitely sensing that your person is basically seeing you as someone that can actually brighten up their world. That kind of energy that I'm getting here for you, Aries. The next card that I've got for you here is the World card and the Fool card, and you've already got the Death card coming up here. So yeah, I'm definitely sensing that at this point of time, for some of you, apart from your person, ego is actually stopping them. I do feel like your person could actually be dealing with some kind of a situation here that is actually just stopping them to come forward towards you here. This could be again legal system or legal issue, because I'm basically getting a strong legal system and legal issue here. So with this World card and the Fool card here, I'm definitely sensing that what they're trying to tell you here is that I do feel like they will be coming up towards you when this chapter in their life has come to a completion, has basically come to a complete end here. And I do feel like once that chapter in their life has come to a completion here, this is when they're going to take a leap of faith towards you here, Aries, especially with this Fool card. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Ten of Cups coming up here. So again, I do feel like some of you could actually be your person could actually be stuck in a toxic situation, in a toxic home, could even be in a third party situation here. I do feel like they're basically going to go through some kind of a legal separation here. Once that's done, they're basically going to come towards you and offer you a new beginning, and basically letting you know that you are their world you are their world, and you are their own, like their whole happiness here, Aries. Yeah, I've got the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles coming up for you. So yeah, I'm definitely sensing like your person has a really strong emotion for you here, Aries. You could be dealing with another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I do feel like at this point of time, also another message that I've got here is that your person could be dealing in a situation where it was actually kind of toxic mentally, as well as manipulate, like lots of mental and emotional manipulation coming up from your person here. But overall, with this Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles and the King of Cups here, I'm definitely sensing that your person is basically seeing you as someone they want to have happy home, happy family with here. The next card that I've got for you here, Aries, is the Queen of Wands. So you've got the King and the Queen of Wands of the same suit coming up here for you, Aries. So whenever I'm doing a love reading, if I get the same King and the Queen of the same suit here, this is basically an indication towards me of a strong soul connection, which is actually you already got Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles here. So I'm definitely sensing that you are someone your person wants to be with here. The next card that I've got for you here, Aries, is the Four of Cups. So I do feel like at this point of time, your person is definitely in this energy of just overthinking. Lots of overthinkingness coming from your person perspective here. I do feel like at this point of time, they could also be in this position where they would rather think and just be quiet and just, just see what options they have here, instead of just go for it and take action for it. So this is another delay that will be coming up in your situation here. So let's pull up some advice card for you. Advice card for Aries, please. Wow, I've got Four of Wands coming up for you here, Aries. So I'm definitely sensing a reunion. I'm definitely sensing celebration and marriage coming up for you. And I've got the Six of Pentacles coming up here. So I'm definitely sensing that your person at this point of time, all they're trying to do here is just like try to maintain balance. They're basically trying to keep themselves mentally, emotionally, as well as financially balanced here. And this is where the delay will be coming in, because with this Knight of Pentacles energy, I'm definitely sensing that this is going to take some time. This is basically the slowest moving energy in the deck. So this is definitely an indication towards me that it's definitely going to take some time for your person to actually come from a place where they're kind of stable. They're finally like coming to the place, okay, now I'm ready to offer a commitment. That kind of energy here, Aries. But I do feel like your person definitely wants to have a commitment with you. Your person definitely wants to have a reunion with you, to have this celebration and marriage, especially with this Four of Wands card. I do definitely feel that. Another thing that I'm feeling here is that I do feel like for some of you, Aries is definitely going through a strong twin flame connection, as well as a strong soul connection coming up here. So I do feel like this is also for those of you who are currently in separation. I'm definitely sensing that your person wants to come towards you here. The channel message that I've got for you here, Aries, is legal system and legal issues. So this is another confirmation that I do feel like your person is basically currently going through a loss of legal system and legal issue at this point of time. The next message that I've got for you here is trust in the divine timing. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is I'm sorry for hurting you. So whatever happened during this separation or prior to this separation, I do feel like your person is actually in this energy of just overthinking, of just regretting. They also like have decided to just make this emotional wall high up, so you cannot reach out to them. I do feel like this is all their coping mechanism here, Aries. And I do feel like once they kind of balance themselves, once they're finally coming to a place where they completed a circle, then they will be coming up towards you and be more open towards you here, Aries. All right, that's it for your June 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.